down.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Welcome to Wong Review. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. In today's episode, I'm very excited to be reviewing the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro wireless headphones, which I have here. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro wireless headset. I'm going to show you the accessories it comes with. I'm also going to go through the build quality and kind of the features and functions of the headset itself. I'm also going to go through some of my experience playing Fortnite with it with my friends and just my overall thoughts and feelings. I will leave a timestamp down below, so if you want to skip ahead to different chapters, please feel free to do so. And as you're watching the video and you find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Alright, let's get to the unboxing of the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro. So this is the wireless eSports headset. So if I look here, it says it is advanced passive noise, ultra soft breathable memory from ear cushions, and THX spatial audio. And this one has the Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology, Triforce titanium 50mm drivers, and the Razer Hyperclear Super Cardioid microphone. So this is what it has here. And on the back, it just talks about the THX, a little bit more about the 50mm drivers, and the Razer Hyperclear. So this is what's inside the box. This is the headphone. I'm surprised how light it is, actually. The headphone. This is the USB wireless dongle, which is the Hyperspeed. Comes with a Razer carrying bag. Nothing too fancy, it's pretty soft. Doesn't even have the Razer logo on it, which I'm a bit surprised. It has 3.5mm audio cable that you can plug in. This is USB-A to micro USB. This is to charge the headset. I wish this was USB-C. So micro USB. And then here is the microphone itself. Let's do a more detailed look of the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro headset. So this is what it looks like. On the top here, in terms of the headband, it has the Razer imprinted on the faux leather here. In terms of details, you gotta look at the stitching. It does look nice. I do like that detail look. In terms of headband, it does feel soft. I don't know if it's memory foam, but as you kind of push it in, it does kind of relax and come back out again. And then on the side here is the ear cups. So this design is supposed to mimic like aviation headsets that you wear in airplanes or helicopters. So this is the kind of look it's going for. It's a nice round circular look, which I don't mind at all. And it looks nice and clean, has the Razer logo on both sides as well. In terms of the ear cups, let's take a look. The ear cups are non-removable. I think has memory foam. I would say these are not as good as my Turtle Beach headphones, but it does, if I compress it, it does come back up quite quickly. Again, if I press it, it comes up. So it has the 50mm drivers inside. In terms of the flex, it's not too tight, so and if I flex it a bit more, it's not too bad. Like some of the headphones I have, the headband is way too tight, so when I flex it, quickly bounces back in and squeezes your head after a while. But this has some give, and it feels a bit loose, which is nice. It's plastic. I wish it was a little bit hard plastic, but it feels actually a little bit cheap in terms of the ear cups itself. And here, I think this is adjustable. Yep. So here you can adjust it up and down. It is a bit stiff, so it's good. That means I'm not too worried about it falling down. So if I extend it up again and I shake it, it doesn't move, so it's nice and stiff, so that's good. So you can adjust your headset. And then this is threaded wire. Let's take a closer look at the buttons that we have. So it is marked left and right ear cup, so all the buttons are on your left-hand side. So here we have the power button, we have the mute button, the micro USB charging port. This is the 3.5 millimeter. If you choose not to go wireless, you can plug it directly with the cable that's provided into your computer. And then this is where your quarter microphone goes. And you can tell because of the shape here, it matches the shape here. So you just kind of slap it in. Clicks into place. The last thing I want to talk about is the mic equalizer. So there's a mic boost, a broadcast, conference, and custom. So what I've been using right now is mic boost, check 1, 2, 3. Here is using broadcast, check 1, 2, 3. And this is for conference, check 1, 2, 3. So you can see the different levels here. The equalizer is different based on each one. So for myself, maybe I'll put it on broadcast and see how that sounds like.
Obliterating people.
Help, help, help.
Oh, jeez, you're fighting.
Help, help, help.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm down.
I'm coming.
Oh, I'm dead.
No!
No!
Just 3 of them, jeez. Okay.
Oh, okay. In the BlackShark V2 Pro wireless headset for about a month now, and I have to say that this is one of the best gaming headsets I have used for PC. If you're familiar with the channel, I have reviewed probably 4 or 5 different other gaming headsets, and I have to say this one tops them off. It is a bit expensive, it's about $250 Canadian, but I have seen it on sale for about as low as $200 at Best Buy or Memory Express if you're in Canada. And the reason why I like it is the build quality and the comfort is very good. I could wear this for long gaming and there's no stress points on my head, and I feel comfortable gaming for 2 or 3 hours. Another thing is the customizable using the Signups app. Again, when I'm watching movies or gameplay, I can or listen to music. It's very easy to pre-adjust to the different equalizers, to the default settings, and they did a really good job with that. The third thing is the Bluetooth connectivity. I do like having it wireless because I don't have to worry about the cables getting interfering with me when it's coming down when I'm gaming, or have to move it out of the way. I can get up and move around the office as well, and especially for Teams meeting, which is great. I'm not tethered to my desk. And the fourth thing is the spatial audio for gaming. I've been using this mostly for Fortnite and PUBG, and hearing the spatial audio of where the shots are coming from is really neat. It helps me find the shooter, but unfortunately, even with the spatial audio, it does not make me a better gamer, and I'm still not any better at Fortnite or PUBG using these headphones, but maybe for practice more it will be. So there's one con I do have about the BlackShark V2 Pro wireless headset, and that is the Bluetooth transmitter that you plug into your PC. So you have to make sure that the transmitter is plugged away from other USB devices. So what I found is if it's next to another USB device, such as my dongle for my keyboard, or even when I was using it with my Elgato next to it, there's interference with the Bluetooth, and it actually disconnects and connects your Bluetooth headset. So make sure when you're plugging your transmitter in your PC, make sure it's in an empty slot away from other USB peripherals, and then you'll have better and stronger quality in terms of the connection to the headset. And that's really my only con. All right, if you have any questions or comments about the BlackShark V2 Pro wireless gaming PC headset, leave it down below. I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.